In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Udemy credits. Whether you're new to Udemy or a seasoned learner, understanding how to redeem these credits can help you unlock a world of educational possibilities. So, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can take full advantage of your Udemy credits. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Udemy. Hit Enter, and you should see the official Udemy website pop up in the search results, usually right at the top. Click on the link to enter the site. If you have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, take a moment to sign in. Now that you're on the Udemy homepage and signed into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. Among these options, you should see one labeled Udemy Credits. Click on that to continue. Great! Now you're on the page dedicated to your Udemy credits. This is where the magic happens. You probably have a promo code handy from a previous purchase or a special offer. Look for a section on this page where you can enter your promo code. Once you find it, carefully type in your promo code. Make sure you're entering it exactly as it appears. Promo codes are case-sensitive, and a simple mistake can cause frustration. With your promo code successfully entered, all that's left is to click the Redeem button. This will apply your credits to your account, and you should see confirmation of the successful redemption. You may also see your credit balance adjust immediately to reflect the addition. Now, you're all set to use these credits towards any course that captures your interest. And there you have it, folks. By following these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly redeem Udemy credits and invest in learning opportunities that appeal to you. Remember, Udemy offers a wide variety of courses across many disciplines, so take your time exploring and choose whatever speaks to your learning goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to check out our other instructional videos for more insightful content.